can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get that.
Hello there, it's Sano, your guy enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. This time I'll be introducing a lot of new products that arrived in September. Many highly anticipated new products have arrived all at once in September. So I hope you won't miss out on them. Especially the limited collections, which tend to sell out very quickly. So be sure to check them out. Let's start with the highly anticipated Mivin collection. This collection was made in collaboration with social businesses in countries like Bangladesh and India and features unique handmade items. I immediately bought the cat pouch because it was just too adorable. I'll show you more later. It has these cute little cat ear-like details. Isn't it charming? The color combination is also delightful. It's a shallow basket, perfect for rolling up a throw blanket and keeping it in your living room. This one has a lovely striped pattern and has a square shape, so it's quite sturdy. This is a rather large bag, which could be used as a plant cover or even a laundry bag. Next is plant hanging holder. It says it can hold up to 5 kilograms. This basket is super charming. I really want it. Wouldn't it look nice as a plant cover? It's really sturdy too. It weighs about 1 kilogram by itself, so it might not work as a bag, but I think it's great for storing smaller items. In a previous collection, the jute material had a bit of an odor, but this time I didn't notice it at all. I mean, I didn't sniff it intentionally though. This is a multi-cover, and there's also a bathrobe for sale, which feels more like a gown. The multi-cover is large enough to be used as a bed cover. This bag was also very cute. Someone sent me a photo on Instagram DM saying they bought it right away. I bought so much other stuff this time, so this is the only thing I got from the Mavin collection, but isn't it adorable? The zipper looks like a cat's mouth. The yellow lining inside is what gives it that cute mouth effect. This part is uncut, showing you the tag sewing in real time. I love that the eyes and nose are embroidered. Since it's handmade, I didn't inspect it closely before buying, but I noticed some loose threads later on. So, if you're purchasing it, be sure to check for that. The lining inside is very neat and the zipper is smooth. You can never have too many pouches, especially ones that don't take up much space. It's a flat pouch, so it's very practical. This big cat mouth is adorable. When I posted it on Instagram stories, I got a huge response. It's now available on the online store, so be sure to check it out. Since it's a limited collection, it's first come, first served. The material is 100% cotton, and it even has a little handmade mark. Here's a look at the renovated IKEA Shibuya store. The interior has become really interesting, so if you get the chance, you should definitely visit. They have a setup where you can experience different room sets on a large screen. You can look around 360 degrees, even look up, and see the room in detail. You can even shop directly from the display. They also had a photo spot. There's so much content in this video, but let's move on to the gaming-related collection. Starting on September 1st, it's available online in various countries. This accessory shelf is affordable and has a stylish design, so I'm definitely going to check it out when I see it in store. There are also shelving unit on casters and other new items to look out for, so I'll share more when I see them in store. A lot of the new products are already on display, so if you're planning to visit IKEA soon, be sure to check them out. The pet series that was released a while back is back in stock, including this scratching post. It was discontinued for a while, but now it's back. I've heard that many people love this product. The new Shibuya store's decorations were also really lovely. Next, I'll introduce some new kitchen products. First up, we have these new dishes. This series offers a wide range of sizes, which is great. The price is reasonable and you can buy individual pieces, which is very convenient. There are microwave and dishwasher safe. The fall limited collection Hostajire is now finally listed online in Japan. However, it seems some items are only available at city stores and not online. There was a lot of buzz about the glass pumpkin I showed you before, but unfortunately it's only available at select city stores. It's quite heavy, I think, so while it's fine for people who live nearby, it's not easy to carry if you're further away. This glass pumpkin is hand wash only. I've mentioned this before, but when I checked the accessories online, I thought this tray looked cute. But when I saw it in person, it turned out to be huge, like a big basin. Here it is. It's so big that it sticks out from the shelf. It's a shame that you can't buy it online in Japan. The deep version of this tray is also available. I thought it would be cute for storing small items, but again, it turned out to be much bigger in person, so be careful with the size. It's so big that you could fit 2 cushions and blanket inside. Check your local store's stock online, but at Kohoku store, there's only one of the orange serving plate left. It seems like it's about to sell out. This pumpkin decoration is also exclusive to city stores, which is really disappointing. I really wish they'd make it available online. This pumpkin is light enough to carry in one hand. It's so cute, right? In Japan, unfortunately, the bag and napkins are also city store exclusives, which is such a letdown. The napkins are standard size, not the mini ones.
でコレクション
そうですそうです。
期間限定っていいんですか？
期間限定ですね。
ちっちゃいのもあるんですね。このサイズも。
これはキャンドルかな？
キャンドル。
私はこれを買う。So I bought this glass. I mentioned earlier that the glass edge seemed thin, but it wasn't that bad. I usually use IKEA's Pokal glasses, and this one feels slightly thinner, but still within normal range. I love the round design, and it's really cute. The glasses are dishwasher safe, but I hand wash mine because I'm worried about the heat. Some dishwashers in Japan exceed 70 degrees Celsius. The sticker came off cleanly. I bought the gray glass and I poured some orange juice into it. Halloween is all about orange after all. I think sparkling water would look really stylish in it too. This super popular plate still seems to be restocking, so keep an eye on the online store for updates on availability. Each store seems to have different stock though. Now, back to the chair I showed you in my last video. I'm still sitting on it. I mentioned last week that this dining chair has a higher seat compared to previous IKEA chairs, so you need to be careful with the height. Now that I've added slippers, it feels okay. I'm getting used to it, but it's still not the most relaxing chair. Yeah, not great. The candle and mug you saw in the thumbnail are from IKEA Canada. The candle holder is also from IKEA Canada. They're not sold in Japan, and they're not Halloween themed, but they're really nice. I need you to brace yourselves for this. There are 500 to 600 new items all at once. And every day, a few more get added. It's getting crazy. There's a big difference between online and in-store availability. It varies by country and store, so there are still lots of items you might not be able to buy yet. I've already picked up a few things, and I plan to introduce even more new products in the next video. The plant covers are all too cute. The planters are amazing. I love the pliers too. Okay, let's calm down for a second. The magazine file that sold out in an instant is back in white. I feel like there's going to be a mad rush for this. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you again in the next video.